Hi everyone, back to my favourite field, and I'm going to give it another go today and dig all those iffy signals. The last couple of little coins have come up as not coin basically, so dig all the iffy signals. There might not be many finds, but if we do, we'll catch you later. That's where the hammers were found, over that way. I'm going to concentrate a bit over that way, over that brow. So we'll catch you later if we find anything. Hi everyone, been here about 20 minutes, my first find, and it's the first modern coin I've ever found on here. I think 20 pence. First one. Had old pennies and obviously the Hammonds and that William III Maundy penny, but no moderns. So let me just show you, if I can. That comes up as pull tab. Every time. So anybody with a Garrett that gets a pull tab signal, dig it. Probably a modern coin, I would think, or a pull tab obviously. So carry on. We're going that way today, I think, so catch you later if I find it. Hello, back again. Just had another iffy signal. Hang on, what's it coming up as? Pull tab nickel. Pull tab nickel, and it's a thimble. First thimble off the field. I found one on the little field, a child's thimble, but this is a big one. So we'll clean that up when we get home, see what it is. I don't think it's silver, it's probably copper, I would think, or whatever. So I've missed that before, or I've not gone over this patch before. Nice one. Okay, carry on, catch you later. Hi, back again, and I nearly didn't dig this one. It's an old George III, just about make him out on there. About 1806, I think, 1807. Yeah, make out Britannia on the back there. Nearly didn't dig it because it was next to, right next to, that. I nearly didn't dig it. I thought it was something round and iron, and that's what it was. So just goes to show you, doesn't it? Missed that one as well. Okay, catch you later. Aye, next find. That, I don't know what it is. I don't know whether it's silver or what really. Maybe somebody can tell me what that is. I think this broken bit at the end, another broken bit at that end maybe. Don't know what that is. Okay, catch you later. Somebody to come and see us. Hello. The big one. We're going to be. What are them? Right. Back to it. And we Dave. Hey, back to it. Ooh, good girl. Hi, back again. Thought this was another coin, silver one, but it's a button. it, I don't know. Clean it up later and have a look at it a bit closer. Okay, carry on. Hello everyone. Finds for today. Not much really, no silver today. Although I thought that spoon was silver, but it isn't. The coin I found. George III, 1806, halfpenny. There's normally nothing on these, but there's a little bit on that one. And a 20p. First modern one out of that field. This is quite nice. Little thimble. Must have had tin or iron at the end, I presume. I think that's copper. These, which I don't know what they are. Maybe a key cover or something, that one maybe. Some sort of hook. I don't know what I've seen somebody with these on. I can't remember whether it was Peace Havens, Jed or not, I don't know. Found two of these today with two holes in. I don't know whether they're buttons or something to do with curtains, I can't quite remember. Maybe you'll let me know. Lead, both of them. Two buttons. Pattern on that one. Nothing on that one. Spoon. Solid silver. No, I don't think so. This, I don't know, my wife thinks it's a drawer handle. She might be right. No marks on it or anything. And then this huge buckle, which still works. Iron. It's a good one. I think probably one of the biggest ones I've found. Yeah. So that's it. Oh, and then them two things, I don't know what they are either. Both similar and different parts of the field. So that's it. Not much to show today. But, I'll catch you again next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.